to show you guys how to change from left hand to right hand. So you pull this down and take this ledge out. There's a little washer there, and you put it right back. So this one is the slam lock option. So if the door is outside, you want to lock, you put that part inside. So right now I wanted to lock here. This part is going to be facing it, so I gotta flip this. This thing locks inside that thing. It's very simple. See, as long as it's inside there, this part is touching, everything is good. You check it before you put the screws in. Where's the screws? Okay, right here. It doesn't recommend it to use a power tools, but just don't use too tight. And this is how you change a back set. Hammer. Okay, now we check it. Press this. Oh, I did it wrong. Okay, so that's not a problem. Put my phones here so I don't have to miss phone calls. Alright, so I made a mistake and we're going to fix this. So this part I didn't have to change. You just flip it back. Sometimes it doesn't go because of this hub. Okay, check it again. Hope I don't get a ticket. Okay, you see it's locked now. Unlocked. Locked. Alright, let's put this together. There's the beautiful screws. They come with two pair of screws, a longer one and a short one. I think I just need a short one. Okay. Put another screw here. I usually put the cylinders first, but it looks like we got all the space to put the cylinders with no problem. think I'm gonna try to put the cylinder, but I'd rather give him a new cylinder with new keys. What kind of keys? How many? 6? I think I have more to make copies. Okay, so from outside we're gonna put a cylinder. From inside we're gonna put a thumb turn. When I put the cylinder in, I don't put the key all the way, just a little bit so I can hold it while I'm installing it. Okay, just like that. See, it's tight. And that's it. That's how you install a Mortise lock for a gate. You put the other part here. I think I have a new one, a nice one. Get a ticket. No, we're good. So far, so good. This one is a big one. This one is short, but I gotta change this guy. Okay. So with these cylinders, you gotta have a different hub. These are for more Adams right aluminum doors. I'll take this one. Come on. Sometimes they don't want to come out. It's another beat. Okay, let's take from here. So I don't have to walk to the van, I'll do it later. I have a few in the van. Just gotta take this cylinder with me. Actually, it's the same key as that one, so I'll keep it for them for future if they ever need a new cylinder. Usually for the managements, I keep a couple of cylinders, same key. If they ever have a problem, I just swipe the cylinders. If it's a big building, like if it's a medical or multi-lot and I have to order it, I'll order 2 cylinders just to have it. I don't have the brass one, but it's okay. They'll live with it. Oh, I forgot to put these guys. It's alright, you don't really have to. Come on. These are a little bit annoying because if you grab by this, it will turn and it will get stuck. Come on, baby boy. One more.